In this video, we're just going to be opening Unity. That's basically what this whole video is going to be about. But obviously, we're going to do it in a slightly different way. So first, let's look at the way everybody opens it at the moment. We start by opening the hub. Once this background resource hog opens up, we then find the project we're interested in and we select it, and Unity opens. Now, I'm willing to bet that most Unity users out there have one main project, a game they have been slaving over for maybe a year or in many cases probably longer. Now, they do this same dance of opening up the hub and then opening the Unity project they want every single time they go through this. Now, if you're smart, you'll have something like a shortcut in your operating system or even launch the hub via a button on a Stream Deck. But still, you're opening an application to open an application, funnily enough, to work on an application. So with that longer than life intro that I've just explained, how do I do it? Well, a lot of times I use the hub because I have a ton of projects. But when I have a main project I'm working on, I do it this way. You see, no hub, no fuss. But I hear you say, what magic is this? How have you traveled back into the past before the interruption of life with the Unity hub? You see, the Unity hub, if you've just started Unity, wasn't always the default way of opening projects. Well, it's very simple and kind of straightforward. I wrote a command line. Yep, no magic, just an old school command line, and I pasted that command line into my Stream Deck, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You see, Unity Editor can be opened with a starting argument called project path, and then all you need to do is add the project folder you're interested in after this argument, and it will launch the project without a hub. Now, you could put this command line right next to the project. So if you're in Explorer, you can open up the project that way. Or, like me, you can pop it onto your Stream Deck and now you have the project ready to be opened straight away. But there is a caveat. You see, every time you upgrade the Unity version of this project, you'll need to alter the version in the path. But seriously, how often does this actually happen to your projects, especially when you enter production with them? However, if all your projects use the same version of Unity, which I kind of doubt, you can simply add the path to the Unity exe to the system's environment variables, and then you only need to change this when you upgrade the editor. So that's it. Go be free of the hub, and use this time you saved to potentially, watch more of this YouTube channel, or tell the world about this YouTube channel. Or, if you're feeling lucky, you can spend the time watching the next video on screen now.